When it comes to effortless cooking, the best slow cooker in the world transforms meal prep into a simple, stress-free experience. From tender stews to flavorful roasts, this slow cooker delivers consistent results, making every dish perfectly cooked with minimal effort. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ninja MC1010 Slow Cooker. The Ninja MC1010 slow cooker stands out as a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance designed to replace multiple cooking tools while simplifying meal preparation. With its innovative design and impressive functionality, this cooker can effectively replace up to 12 common kitchen appliances, including a slow cooker, sauté pan, saucepan, Dutch oven, roasting pan, and even a bread maker. This makes it a great option for home cooks who want to reduce kitchen clutter while still enjoying a wide range of cooking possibilities. One of the most impressive features is the ability to sear and sauté directly in the cooking pot. Thanks to the built-in bottom heating elements, you can brown meats or sauté vegetables without transferring them to a stovetop pan, saving both time and effort during the cooking process. The removable cooking pot is also oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to finish dishes in the oven to achieve a crispy golden top, something many traditional slow cookers cannot offer. With its generous 8.5 quart capacity, the Ninja MC1010 is ideal for entertaining or feeding large families. It can easily prepare meals such as chili for up to 20 people, a large patch of spaghetti and meatballs, or pulled pork for dozens of sliders. The triple fusion heat technology is another highlight, combining bottom, side, and steam heat to cook food up to 30% faster than a conventional oven, making it both efficient and practical. The cooker also includes 6 versatile cooking functions: slow cook, sear/sauté, keep warm, sous vide, braise, and proof, giving users remarkable flexibility when preparing different types of meals. A multifunctional utensil is included as well, working as both a ladle and pasta fork, and it conveniently rests in the lid handle. Overall, the Ninja MC1010 slow cooker delivers exceptional versatility, performance, and convenience, making it a valuable addition to any modern kitchen.
Number 2. Cuisinart MSC 600 Slow Cooker. The Cuisinart MSC 600 Slow Cooker is a well-designed multi-purpose appliance that brings convenience and flexibility to everyday cooking. Built with a combination cooking system, this slow cooker allows users to seamlessly switch between cooking modes with a simple touch, making it easy to follow recipes that require multiple steps. The intuitive control panel features an extra-large blue backlit LCD display, which clearly shows time and temperature settings for precise control. This bright and easy-to-read screen ensures that users can quickly monitor their cooking progress, even in a dimly lit kitchen. The cooker includes a removable 6-quart non-stick aluminum cooking pot that provides ample space for preparing meals for families or small gatherings. Its non-stick surface helps prevent food from sticking while also making cleanup significantly easier. The included glass lid features a cool touch handle, allowing users to safely check on their food without worrying about heat transfer. Because the lid is transparent, you can monitor cooking progress without releasing heat or moisture from the pot. Another convenient feature is the dishwasher-safe removable parts, which make post-meal cleanup simple and stress-free. The slow cooker also comes with a steaming rack, expanding its functionality by allowing you to steam vegetables, seafood, or dumplings directly inside the appliance. With a steaming capability of up to 90 minutes, the unit offers even more versatility in the kitchen. Additionally, the Cuisinart MSC 600 is backed by a limited 3-year warranty, reflecting the brand's confidence in its durability and performance. The cooker ships in certified frustration-free packaging, making the unboxing process quick and simple. Overall, the Cuisinart MSC 600 slow cooker delivers dependable performance, practical features, and user-friendly controls. It is an excellent choice for home cooks looking for a reliable multifunction slow cooker that can handle a wide variety of recipes while keeping the cooking process simple and efficient.
Number 3. Crock-Pot Programmable Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot Programmable Slow Cooker is a dependable kitchen appliance designed for home cooks who want convenience, capacity, and consistent cooking performance. Known for its reliable slow cooking technology, this model is especially ideal for preparing meals for large families, gatherings, or holiday events. With the ability to cook enough food for more than 10 people, it becomes a practical solution when hosting dinner parties or preparing large batches of comforting meals. Whether you are cooking stews, soups, pulled meats, or casseroles, the generous capacity allows you to serve a crowd with ease. One of the standout features is the digital timer, which can count down cooking time for up to 20 hours. This programmable control allows users to set the exact cooking duration required for a recipe, providing peace of mind while the meal cooks slowly throughout the day. Once the cooking cycle is complete, the auto-warm function automatically activates to keep food at an ideal serving temperature. This ensures that meals remain warm and ready to serve without overcooking or drying out. The design also prioritizes convenience when it comes to cleanup. The removable stoneware pot and dishwasher-safe lid allow for easy washing after meals, reducing the time spent on kitchen chores. In addition, the memory function provides an extra layer of reliability. In the event of a brief power outage, the cooker can reset to its previous settings, allowing cooking to continue without requiring manual adjustments. The exterior features an elegant black stainless steel finish that adds a modern and stylish touch to any kitchen, while also being easy to wipe clean. Combining generous capacity, user-friendly programming, and practical design, the Crock-Pot Programmable Slow Cooker is an excellent choice for anyone who enjoys preparing hearty meals with minimal effort and maximum convenience.
Number 4. Hamilton Quart Slow Cooker. The Hamilton Quart Slow Cooker is built with large families and social gatherings in mind, offering an impressive cooking capacity and simple, reliable operation. With its spacious 10-quart design, this slow cooker can easily prepare enough food for 12 or more people, making it ideal for family reunions, holiday dinners, potlucks, and other events where large portions are required. The size also allows you to cook big cuts of meat, such as a 10-pound turkey or a 12-pound roast, giving home cooks the flexibility to prepare hearty, satisfying meals without needing multiple pots or pans. One of the standout features of this slow cooker is its secure lid clip system. The lid clips tightly to the side handles, helping prevent messy spills when transporting food. This is particularly useful when carrying hot meals to gatherings or serving food directly at the table. The thoughtful design helps maintain the content safely inside the pot while keeping the kitchen and dining area clean. The cooker also focuses on simplicity and ease of use. Instead of complicated digital controls, it uses straightforward dial settings that allow you to choose between 3 heat levels: low, high, and warm. This simple control system makes it easy for anyone to prepare delicious, slow-cooked meals without needing to constantly monitor the cooking process. You can start your meal on low or high, depending on the recipe, and then switch to warm once cooking is finished to keep the dish ready for serving. The slow cooker also includes full grip handles that make lifting and carrying the appliance safer and more comfortable. Cleanup is just as convenient thanks to the removable stoneware crock and dishwasher-safe glass lid. Overall, the Hamilton Quart Slow Cooker offers excellent capacity, reliable performance, and easy operation, making it a practical and dependable addition to any busy kitchen. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER SCD4007 Slow Cooker. The BLACK+DECKER SCD4007 Slow Cooker brings a creative and family-friendly twist to traditional slow cooking appliances. What immediately sets this cooker apart is its unique chalkboard exterior, which allows users to write messages, draw designs, or even note recipes directly on the surface. This feature makes the appliance especially fun for families with children, as kids can get involved by decorating the cooker while meals are being prepared. It can also be useful when hosting gatherings, allowing you to label dishes or write allergy warnings for guests. The product even includes 2 sticks of chalk to help users get started, and the surface is compatible with standard chalk sticks for continued creativity. Beyond its playful design, the slow cooker offers practical cooking performance with 3 heat settings: low,
high, and warm. These options allow users to adjust the cooking temperature based on their recipe, while ensuring food stays warm and ready to serve after cooking is complete. The durable 7-quart removable stoneware crock provides plenty of space for preparing family meals, such as soups, stews, chili, or slow-cooked meats. Stoneware also retains heat effectively, helping maintain consistent cooking temperatures throughout the process. Another convenient feature is the built-in lid holder, which helps keep kitchen counters clean while stirring or serving food. Instead of placing the hot lid on the countertop, you can securely rest it on either side handle of the cooker. This thoughtful design reduces mess and improves convenience during meal preparation. The removable crock also makes cleanup much easier, allowing it to be washed quickly after use. Combining functionality with a fun and interactive design, the BLACK+DECKER SCD4007 slow cooker offers a unique cooking experience that blends practicality with creativity. It is an excellent choice for households that want reliable, slow cooking performance while adding a bit of personality to their kitchen. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press